Advertising has always been a vital component in promoting products and services. However, with the rapidly changing landscape of technology and consumer behavior, the future of advertising is evolving. To stay relevant and capture audience attention, advertisers need to adapt and employ new strategies continuously. Below are insights into the future of advertising, including new strategies, types of advertising channels, and how to achieve higher engagement. In the future, successful advertising will revolve around personalization. Advertisers will harness data-driven insights to create tailored advertisements that resonate with individual consumers. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning, advertisers can analyze consumer preferences and behavior to deliver messages that are highly relevant and meaningful. Content marketing will continue to grow as an essential advertising strategy. By providing valuable and engaging content, brands can establish themselves as thought leaders and build strong relationships with their audience. Brands will invest in producing high-quality content across various platforms such as blogs, videos, podcasts, and social media. Influencer marketing will continue to gain prominence as a strategy to reach target audiences effectively. Trusted influencers will play a vital role in endorsing products and services, leveraging their authenticity and engaging followers. Brands will collaborate with influencers to create content that aligns with their values and resonates with their audience. Native advertising seamlessly integrates brand messaging within the context and format of the platform. It provides a non-disruptive and more engaging user experience. In the future, native advertising will be essential across various platforms, including social media feeds, podcasts, and news websites. With the increasing adoption of AR and VR technologies, advertisers will use these immersive experiences to create interactive and captivating advertisements. Consumers will be able to engage with products or services virtually, experiencing a more personalized and innovative form of advertising. Experiential advertising aims to create memorable and immersive brand experiences. It involves live events, interactive installations, and unique brand activations. In the future, advertisers will leverage technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, and AI to enhance interactivity, allowing consumers to engage with brands in physical and digital spaces simultaneously. Social media platforms will remain crucial channels for advertising. Brands will focus on creating engaging content across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and emerging platforms like TikTok. Advertisers will leverage user data and advanced targeting features to reach the right audience with relevant messaging. With the rise of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney, advertisers will shift their focus towards digital ad placements within these platforms. Through targeted ads, brands will be able to reach highly engaged audiences consuming content on these streaming platforms. Voice-enabled devices like smart speakers and virtual assistants will become prominent channels for advertising. Brands will optimize their content for voice search and explore audio-based advertising, leveraging the growing popularity of podcasts and voice-activated commands. Advertisers will leverage interactive formats like quizzes, polls, and shoppable content to enhance engagement. Additionally, creating personalized ads that resonate with the target audience on an emotional level will drive higher engagement. Encouraging users to create and share content related to the brand will increase engagement. By leveraging UGC, brands can build trust, foster a sense of community, and amplify their reach through word-of-mouth marketing. Incorporating game elements into advertising campaigns can be an effective way to boost engagement. Brands can create interactive games, challenges, and rewards to encourage interaction and capture the attention of their target audience. The future of advertising holds remarkable opportunities for brands that embrace new strategies, leverage emerging technologies, and prioritize engagement. By adopting personalization, content marketing, and influencer marketing, brands can establish meaningful connections with their audience. Utilizing native ads or /VR and experiential advertising, brands can create unique experiences for consumers. Leveraging social media, streaming services, and voice-enabled devices as advertising channels ensures reaching the right audience. Finally, incorporating interactive and personalized ads, UGC, and gamification drives higher engagement. The future of advertising is exciting, and those who adapt to these trends will thrive in this evolving landscape.